Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of flip. We click on settings. In this page, you will scrolling down until you find apps here. Then you will go to this application of flip. Here in this window, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching.